For fun fact, guys, do you know that Panama is the only country in the world where you can see sunrise in Pacific Ocean and sunset in Atlantic? Well, next time if you are in Panama, try to see this contrast. I hope you like the fun fact. Stay in tune. Hello, my beautiful folks. How are you? Welcome to the class. Today, we're going to learn something very interesting and important, and that is relative pronoun as gain. Now, folks, in the previous session, we have already seen relative pronoun as K. So let's take a look at K. Now, for those people who are not brushed up with the concept, pronoun is actually a word that refers to a noun, and relative pronoun links the nouns of two sentences. Okay, so let's go. Relative pronoun who can be K for singular and quien is for plural in Spanish. Okay, K is for singular and quien is for plural. Let's take some examples, folks. The first one is Madonna is the first sentence. Madonna, who is the famous singer, loves me. Yeah. Madonna, ¿quién es la cantante famosa? Me ama. So here, ¿quién is acting as who? The next is the girl with whom I went to the movies is my sister. La chica con quien fui al cine es mi hermana. Now, the next rule. Next concept, when relative pronoun refers to a person as a direct object, que or a quien is used. Yeah, let's take an example. So the sentence in English is the man whom I met last night is funny. Now there are two ways of saying the same sentence in Spanish. The first one is el señor que conocí anoche es gracioso. So here que is used as relative pronoun. The same thing can be said as el señor a quien conocí anoche es gracioso. So that was about it. Let's move to the next concept. When relative pronoun occurs after a preposition and refers to a person, quien is used. Yeah. Preposition here is con that we're going to use, which is with, and that's why when relative pronoun occurs after a preposition and refers to a person, then quien will be used. So the sentence we have is the boys with whom we went to the beach are our neighbors. En Spanish, los chicos con quienes fuimos al estadio son nuestros vecinos. Yeah. Let's move on to the next concept, folks. When a relative pronoun occurs after a preposition and refers to a thing, que is used. After a preposition and refers to a thing. So the sentence is, the song that I'm thinking of is melodious. La canción en que estoy pensando es melodiosa. Yeah. Let's move on to the last concept, folks. Here it is. Prepositions can be used to end a sentence in English but never in Spanish. For example, the sentence, he is the actor I'm thinking about, is a very normal sentence in English, right? And about is a preposition here, which is used to end the sentence, but it never happens in Spanish. The same sentence can be said as, él es el actor, he's the actor, en quien estoy pensando, in whom I'm thinking is something, what it literally means, but that's how you say it in Spanish. It never comes in the end. Well, folks, that was about relative pronoun que, and I hope you learned to enjoy this beautiful concept, and you're going to use it in speaking Spanish even more artistically. If you wish to continue learning from me, please subscribe to my channel, and till next session, take care, goodbye, ciao, ciao. Bueno, estudiantes, hoy hemos estudiado algo muy importante y ahora pueden contarse tus frases con estilo. Bueno, muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima. Chao, chao.